Now first, rules of oxidation number. You know what is oxidation number. At first we know what is oxidation number. Oxidation number oxidation number what is oxidation number? Oxidation number, what is oxidation number? The number of electron that an atom lose or gain, that number is known as oxidation number. What is oxidation number? An element lose the number of electron or gain the number of electron, that number is known as oxidation number. So if sodium lose one electron, so sodium become single positive ion, so oxidation number of sodium is +1. Oxidation number is the number of electron that an atom gain or lose electrons. Now there are some rules of oxidation number. Rules 1. Elements have an oxidation number of 0. Any elements have an oxidation number 0. Say aluminium 0, chlorine 0, zinc 0, magnesium 0, sodium 0, lead Pb 0, O2 oxygen 0. Rules 1. Oxidation number of an element is 0. This is the first rule. Rule number 2. A simple monoatomic ion has an oxidation number that is the same as its charge, as its power. Monoatomic means one atom. A simple monoatomic ion has an oxidation number that is the same on its power. Say aluminium 3+. Aluminium is a monoatomic, single atom, so it has power 3, so its oxidation number will be +3. Chloride power is -1, so its oxidation number will be -1. Zinc 2+, its oxidation number will be +2. Zinc +2, oxidation number will be +2. And magnesium 2+, is oxidation number will be +2. So rules 2. A simple monoatomic ion has an oxidation number that is the same on its power, on its charge. Oxygen monoatomic means single atom. Say its 2- is power, so oxidation number will be -2. Pb2+, lead, oxidation number will be +2. Now rule 3, the oxidation number of hydrogen is +1 and that of oxygen is -2 in most of their compounds. I mean, in compound hydrogen oxidation number +1 and oxygen is -2. So sulfuric acid is a compound. Here hydrogen is +1 oxidation number and oxygen is -2. Water is a compound. Here hydrogen oxidation number will be +1 and oxygen oxidation number will be -2. This is the 3 rules for oxidation number. So rules of oxidation number: elements have an oxidation number of 0. Aluminium is a element 0, chlorine 0, zinc 0, magnesium 0, sodium 0. Rule 2, a simple monoatomic means single atom ion has an oxidation number that is the same on its power. Aluminium 3 plus, oxidation number will be +3. Chloride -1, zinc 2 plus, this will be +2. Magnesium 2 plus, this will be +2. Sodium +1, oxidation number will be +1. Rule 3, oxidation number of hydrogen is +1 and that of oxygen is -2 in most of their compounds. Say in sulfuric acid is a compound. Here oxidation number of hydrogen is +1 and oxygen is -2. Now we will know what is oxidation. Oxidation is the addition of oxygen. Oxidation is the addition of oxygen. If oxygen is added to a substance, that process is known as oxidation. Here sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen. Here sulfur trioxide. Here 2 oxygen, here 3 oxygen. So one oxygen atom is added to sulfur dioxide. So this reaction is known as oxidation. This reaction is known as oxidation, as oxygen is added. Now oxidation is the loss of electrons. If an element or ion lose electron, this process is known as oxidation. So oxidation is the loss of electrons. Here iron lose 2 electron, so this reaction also known as oxidation. Here you can show in this way, iron lose means -2 electron to form iron 2 plus, this or this. Here iron lose means loss is lose 2 electrons, it becomes iron 2 plus ion. So this is also oxidation. Next, in this process means in oxidation process, the oxidation number of an element is increased. I mean, if oxidation happen, oxidation number increases. Now you know the rules. Rules 1, this oxidation number 0 as iron is element, here 2 plus. So 0 to plus 2 means oxidation number increases. So this reaction is known as oxidation. So what is oxidation? Means addition of oxygen. If oxygen is added, you can tell oxidation. If loss of electron, this is known as oxidation. If oxidation number increase, that process also known as oxidation. Now reduction. Reduction is the opposite of oxidation. Reduction is the removal of oxygen. If oxygen is removed, this process is known as reduction. Oxygen is added, oxidation. Oxygen removed, this is reduction. Here lead oxide goes to lead, that means oxygen is lost, oxygen lost minus oxygen, lead is produced. So here lead to oxide is reduced, reduction occur because lead oxide lost oxygen, lead oxide lost oxygen. So this is reduction. Also reduction is the gain of electrons. You know, oxidation is the loss of electron, reduction is the gain of electrons. Here iron 2 plus gain 2 electron, plus means gain, to form iron. As iron 2 ion gains electron, so this is known as reduction. Iron 2 plus gains 2 electron, this is reduction. Now Al 3 plus gains 3 electron to form Al. This reaction also known as reduction reaction, as aluminium ion gains 3 electrons. If electron gain, reduction. If electron lose, oxidation. Pb2 plus lead takes 2 electron to produce lead. This reaction also known as reduction. Reduction. Why? Gain of electron. Reduction means gain of electron. Now you see, in this process means in reduction, oxidation number of element is decreased. You know, in oxidation number increases, but in reduction oxidation number decreases. In oxidation number increases, and in reduction oxidation number decreases. Now you see, here iron 2 plus oxidation number is plus 2, here element 0, so plus 2 to 0, plus 2 is larger value, 0 is a smaller value, plus 2 to 0, so oxidation number decreases. So this reaction is a reduction reaction. Now reduction means removal of oxygen or gain of electron or oxidation number decrease. Removal of oxygen, lose of oxygen, or gain of electron or oxidation number increase. These three process is known as reduction. Now you will know how you can calculate oxidation number, how you can find out oxidation number. Finding oxidation number. Number 1, calculate the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4. So KMnO4, what the oxidation number of manganese? You will calculate. You don't know what the oxidation number of manganese. So this at first you let the oxidation number of manganese is X. As you don't know, so you let the oxidation number is X. So here potassium oxidation number is 1. Why? Because potassium is a group 1. Group 1 potassium plus manganate MnO4 minus. So potassium is a group 1. That's why here plus 1. Manganese X plus X. You don't know X, so you will calculate X. Then oxygen, 4 oxygen atom. Oxygen and oxidation number minus 2. Most of their compounds you know, times 4, because there are 4 oxygen atom, equal to 0, because here there is no number, this neutral, so it is 0. So if you solve it, 1 plus x, 4 to the minus 8 equals 0, x equal plus 7. That means in KMnO4 potassium permanganate or potassium manganate 7, the oxidation number of manganese is plus 7. Plus 7. Now you can see second one. Number 2, calculate the oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7 potassium chromate 6 or potassium dichromate. Here let the oxidation number of chromium is X. You don't know what is X value, so you will calculate. Chromium is X. Now 2 potassium 2 atom, 1 times 2, X times 2, why 2? Cr2, 2 chromium atom, plus 7 oxygen, minus 2 into 7, oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2 times 7 equal 0, neutral, there is no power here. If you calculate, you get x equal plus 6. That means K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate, here chromium oxidation number is +6. Chromium oxidation number is +6. Now you see, calculate the oxidation number of chromium in chromate ion. CrO4 negative 2. Let the oxidation number of chromium is X. Now you see X chromate, chromium X plus -2 times 4 equal -2. Why? There is power is -2, so I write here -2. If you solve it, X equal +6. That means chromate ion chromium oxidation number will be +6. Okay. Okay, this is for practice. Calculate the oxidation number of the elements in underline. Here sulfur dioxide, you will calculate the oxidation number of sulfur. Here sulfur, hydrogen sulfide, chromate, chlorine, oxygen, sulfuric acid, sulfur, phosphoric acid, you will find out the oxidation number of phosphorus. Here manganate, MnO4 minus, you will find out manganese. Cl2O7, you will find out oxidation number of chlorine. KBrO3, you will calculate bromine. Phosphorus acid, you will find out phosphorus. Here sulfur, potassium sulfate, ClO minus, chlorate 1, you will find out oxidation number of chlorine. Chlorate 5, here chlorine. Bromate, here bromine. BO2 plus, here V, vanadium. BO2 plus, here also V, vanadium. Sulfite ion, you will find out oxidation number of sulfur. You will solve this. You will calculate the oxidation number of the elements that are underlined. Now you see the answer. Here sulfur, if you find out X, so if you calculate, you will get oxygen 2 to the 4, -4, sulfur will be +4. +4. Here 2 hydrogen plus 2, so sulfur will be -2. Or you can find out X, you find out lead, sulfur equal X, then you can calculate as before. Now here chromate ion 4 oxygen, so 4 to the -8, there are 2 minus here, so if you subtract it, you will get -6, so chromate will be +6. Here chlorine 7 to the 14, if you subtract to 12, 2 chlorine 12, 1 chlorine will be plus 6. Now H2O2, 2 hydrogen plus 2, so 2 oxygen will be minus 2, 1 oxygen will be minus 1. Now sulfuric acid, 4 oxygen, 4 to the 8, hydrogen 2 plus, minus 6, sulfur will be plus 6. Here phosphorus, 4 to the 8 plus 3, 4 to the minus 8, hydrogen 3 plus, minus 5, phosphorus will be plus 5. Here this is the manganate, 4 to the 8, if you subtract minus 1 you get minus 7, manganese will be plus 7. Here plus 6, here 7 to the 14, so 2 chlorine 14, 1 chlorine will be 7, plus 7. Here oxygen 3 to the 6, minus 6, potassium plus 1, minus 5, so bromine will be plus 5, or opposite. Here oxygen minus 6, 3 hydrogen plus 3, phosphorus acid, so phosphorus will be positive 3. Here 4 oxygen plus 8, 4 oxygen, 2 to the 2 4 the 8, negative 8, potassium plus 2, so if you do sum, 6 minus 6, sulfur will be plus 6. This is chlorine, if you chlorine you will get plus 1. Here 3 to the 6 minus 1, so chlorine you will get plus 5. If you calculate 3 to the 6 minus 1 plus 5, you will get bromine. Here 2 to the 4 plus 1, you will get plus 5 vanadium. Here you will get 4. Here 3 to the 6, 4, sulfur will be plus 4. This is your answer. Now you will know redox reaction. What is redox reaction? Redox reaction is a reaction in which an element is oxidized and other element is reduced. Redox reaction is a reaction in which an element is oxidized and another element is reduced. One element oxidized and other element is reduced. That reaction is known as redox reaction. Now you see here this reaction is a redox reaction. How? You know rules 1, chlorine oxidation number 0, bromide ion minus 1, rule 2, here minus 1, power minus 1, here 0. So you see which element is oxidized here? Bromide ion goes to minus 1 to 0, or you can write bromide ion lose electron because oxidation number increases. Here bromide ion is oxidized because bromide ion lose electron, or oxidation number of bromide ion increases from minus 1 to 0. So bromide ion is oxidized. Now chlorine 0 to -1, chlorine gain electron, or you can write oxidation number decreases. So here chlorine is reduced 0 to -1, and bromide ion is oxidized -1 to 0. One element oxidized, other element is reduced. That's why this reaction is known as redox reaction. And you can see zinc, copper 2 plus to form zinc 2 plus copper. You see rule 1, zinc oxidation number is 0. Here oxidation number of copper is +2, and oxidation number of zinc here +2. Here oxidation number of copper is 0. So this reaction also a redox reaction, because zinc lose electron, copper ion gains electron. Or you can tell zinc is oxidized because oxidation number increases 0 to +2, and copper ion is reduced because oxidation number of copper 2 ion is decreased from +2 to 0. This reaction also known as redox reaction.